Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we're talking about deck rejuvenation. We built this TimberTech PVC deck about 8-9 years ago, and the clients called us up and said, hey doctor, we love our deck, but it's starting to fade out in some spots. And so I came up and looked at it, and it definitely has as age and oxidation takes effect. So what we did is we found this company called DeckMax, and we used their professional grade cleaner concentrate, which is like a 4-to-1. You mix 4 parts water to 1 part this for cleaning it. And we came up yesterday and we tightened down some things. We replaced some lighting that had gone bad, and we tightened down a few screws. And today we're going to rejuvenate this deck with the DeckMax E2 PVC deck revitalizer, okay? So what this product will do, it will enhance and give it back that luster that it used to have 8 years ago. And so if you like this video or you learned something about it, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to be notified when we put out new content. All right, so basically, like I said before, this deck is clean, but you can kind of see, like, there's a piece of furniture that was right here pretty much for 8 years, and it's has a little bit more luster and sheen to it than the rest of the exposed deck does. So when we came up here yesterday, there was a lot more oxidation, but you can kind of see, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can kind of see, like even on this lower deck where the furniture was located and where you might see some haze. I'll go down and point it out really quick. Like you can see down here, it's a little shinier, and then over here it's a little duller. So what we want to do is kind of revitalize that. And also you can see right here, like this board right here that we heat bent, it has a little more haze to it than some of the other boards do. So we're gonna go in, use this product, and we're going to bring the sheen and the shine back to this deck. So follow along and see how we do. All right, so the first thing we have to do is we're gonna cut in some corners. So I'm gonna use a paint pad for that, but you don't wanna soak the entire paint pad. You just wanna get some of the product about 1/4 of the way on the pad, and then so you can feather it out, so you're not pooling the product everywhere. So you just wanna dip the tip like this, and then it'll start to run down the pad like so, and then you can start applying the product. And you want to go with the grain of the boards. You don't want to go against the grain, and then you just want to go back and make sure that nothing's pooling. And then I'm going to have Naz start cutting in all these corners and all the edges. And then I'm going to start doing the field. right, guys, that's a wrap. That's all there is to it. When you want to revitalize your deck, you spend a part day cleaning and then a part day applying the rejuvenator. And voila, you have a beautiful deck that you can enjoy for many years. If it fades out again, you just come back and add another coat. All right, so the rejuvenator costs around $95 per container. It's a 64-ounce container, and they say it'll do about 500 square feet. We actually used about 1.5 of those. So we bought 2 containers for this deck because I wanted to make sure we had enough to do the hot tub and the benches and the planter boxes and all the fascia and all that stuff. So it's always better, in my opinion, to have a little bit too much than not enough. Now that it's done, we have to let it sit for 24 hours and then you can use it as normal. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Like our videos and don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.